What do we call it? A story or a thought? With a job of 60,000 rupees a month, he would be helpless by the month end. He would go asking for small debts here and there. Not that he had a large family, but one could not understand what was the problem. He did not even have to shell out money for rent, as he lived in a portion of the ancestral home belonging to his father. When we hear about something similar, we start reacting instantaneously. But today, the condition of every other person is the same. Every other person is seen buried under the burden of debt. When I tried to find out the reason, there were some reasons that were actually pushing life back rather than taking it forward. So let's start to find out. A happy family living happily find a colorful flyer in the folds of newspaper. This made interesting reading. It offered any electronic item at 0% interest on easy installments. It was summer and looked a right opportunity to have an air conditioner at monthly installment of 3,000 rupees without interest. The AC was bought and the cool air made days and nights comfortable till the electricity bill arrived. It was 9,000 rupees compared to the previous usual monthly bills of rupees 3,000. The sweat caused by the inflated electricity bill could not be soothed by the cool air of AC. In another setting, family life was fine with an Alto car for commuting to urgent work or for short weekend drives. A pamphlet, a folder in the newspaper offered exchange of old car to any new model with easy installments. The family drove to the showroom to study the offer, more for fun than to buy it. They had no plans to buy a car. They were welcomed by a model-like lady at the showroom who gave them a cheerful reception, made them sit comfortably with coffee, and explained the nuances of the new car. They got into the trap as they left the old car at a very low price and drove home by a new car. For about a week, the family was hosting treats and tea parties to all those friends and neighbors who came to congratulate for the new acquisition, the new car. By the time the celebrations for the car got over, the first date of the month arrived. The salary must have gone deposited in the bank on the first, as on the second, a telephone message from the car showroom confirmed the receipt of installment of rupees 15,000 with thanks. This amount was directly credited to the account of car showroom company from the salary in the bank. This message again got sweat drops on the forehead of the young man. By a cursory calculation, the sum of expenses seemed to be more than the salary. The electricity at 9,000 rupees now, installment of air conditioner at 3,000 rupees, car installment 15,000 rupees, school fee 5,000, ration and milk squeezed within 18,000 rupees, LIC premium 3,000 rupees, mobile recharge for the family at 1,000, petrol for car and bike 5,000, some out-of-pocket expenses 2,000. One was hardly left with any money with 27 days of the month to go. How does it get managed? Again by raising debts from the family and friends. The fear haunts. This is quite common in today's lifestyle, and this makes a person stressed out. Do not go by the shine and glitter of the exhibitionist world. Apply your wisdom to it. If you have money, buy anything, but do not splurge and create debts. The modern day slaves are not in chains, but in debt. Do not entangle your life with monthly installments.